Wake up. Yeah, Papa. Thank you.
A for ant, ant. Let's see how ant looks like. A for ant. Do you know the ant sound? B for bee. Let's see how bee looks like. B for bee. Do you know the bee sound? C for cat. Let's see how cat looks like. C for cat. Do you know the cat sound? D for dog. Let's see how dog looks like. D for dog. Do you know the dog sound? E for elephant. Let's see how elephant looks like. E for elephant. Do you know the elephant sound? F for fox. Let's see how fox looks like. F for fox. Do you know the fox sound? G for giraffe. Let's see how giraffe looks like. G for giraffe. Do you know the giraffe sound? H for hippo. Let's see how hippo looks like. H for hippo. Do you know the hippo sound? I for iguana. Let's see how iguana looks like. I for iguana. Do you know the iguana sound? J for jaguar. Let's see how jaguar looks like. J for jaguar. Do you know the jaguar sound? K for kangaroo. Let's see how Kangaroo. Looks like. K for kangaroo. Do you know the kangaroo sound? L for lion. Lion. Let's see how lion looks like. L for lion. Do you know the lion sound? M for monkey. Monkey. Let's see how monkey looks like. M for monkey. Do you know the monkey sound? N for newt. Newt. Let's see how newt looks like. N for newt. Do you know the newt sound? O for owl. Owl. Let's see how owl looks like. O for owl. Do you know the owl sound? P for penguin. Penguin. Let's see how penguin looks like. P for penguin. Do you know the penguin sound? Q for quail. Quail. Let's see how quail looks like. Q for quail. Do you know the quail sound? R for rabbit. Rabbit. Let's see how rabbit looks like. R for rabbit. Do you know the rabbit sound? S for snake. Snake. Let's see how snake looks like. S for snake. Do you know the snake sound? T for tiger. Tiger. Let's see how tiger looks like. T for tiger. Do you know the tiger sound? U for unicorn. Unicorn. Let's see how unicorn looks like. U for unicorn. Do you know the unicorn sound? V. V. 4. Vulture. Vulture. Let's see how vulture looks like. V. 4. Vulture. Do you know the vulture sound? W. W. 4. Worm. Worm. Let's see how worm looks like. W. 4. Worm. Do you know the worm sound? X. X. 4. Zephyrs. Zephyrs. Let's see how worm looks like. X. 4. Zephyrs. Do you know the zephyrs sound? Y. Y. 4. Yak. Yak. Let's see how yak looks like. Y. 4. Yak. Do you know the yak sound? Z. Z. 4. Zebra. Zebra. Let's see how zebra looks like. Z. 4. Zebra. Do you know the zebra sound?
Cepat peninggal. Aduh. Bye bye.